your chance to be ruthless.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
아주 딱 좋습니다. 한번 들어보세요. 이거 뭐 완전히 뭐 신경통이 완전히 다 나을 것 같아요. 완전히 세상의 모든 근심은 예? 아이고 아이고 씨. 세상의 모든 근심은 이 진산 계곡물에 모두 다 날려버리고 이게 지금 아이가 막 미끄러우니까 넘어집니다.
신발 신고 들어가야죠.
신발 신어야 되겠네. 술 마셨습니까? 왜 흔들거리고 와요? 진산 대성골에 지금 알탕을 하고 이제 갑니다. 여기 알탕하는데 구름다리가 지금 완전히 왔다 갔다 움직입니다. 지금 재밌습니다. 자, 이 대성골에 구름다리입니다. 야, 계곡이 얼마나 시원합니까? 눈이 시원합니다. 오늘 대성골 등산하고 이 계곡에서 제 몸을 물속에 완전히 담궜습니다. 새로 태어났습니다. 얼마나 깨끗한지. 와, 이거 보십시오. 야, 역시 지리산 정말 자주 와야 됩니다. 힘들고 지친 이에게 몸과 마음을 치유해주는 이 지리산은 정말 우리들이 살아가는데 마지막으로 휴식처라고 저는 말씀을 드리고 싶은데, 아이고 몸과 마음이 가볍습니다. 지금 이 집이 전방이야. TV 나온 집 이 집이야.